Hello, my beautiful viewers. Okay, let's start off with our primer and concealing our eyelids. It's gonna prime our lids for our eyeshadow. It's gonna help us blend it out even nicer. We're gonna apply this Lyric powder by Kat Von D on top of that concealer, so it doesn't crease and it stays in place. Then we're going to go in with our Modern Renaissance palette, whoop whoop, and using the Morphe brush M504, I'm going to grab burnt orange and put that all over my lid. Blend, blend, blend. Make sure you're blending nice. Circular motions. Okay, now I'm going to go in with Beyond Fresco with my Morphe brush M167. It's a flat brush, and I'm going to apply that all over my lid. Apply, 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 apply. Pat, 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 pat that product in. Okay, now I'm going to go in with Love Letter using the Morphe brush E17, and I'm going to put that on the outer corner and the inner corner. And it's going to create our halo effect. Make sure you're blending it out really neatly so there's no random patches of color. Do the other side. It's okay if the middle looks a little messy because we're going to be covering it up with some glitter in a little bit. Just make sure you blend it. And then now we're going to go with Anastasia Beverly Hills Pink Champagne, and I'm going to spray my Morphe brush M167, same brush, and apply that to the middle. Drinking my tea while that dries down, and then I'm going to apply this glitter, but first I'm going to use this little tiny brush and apply some Too Faced glitter glue with the M213 Morphe brush, and I'm going to apply it all on top of that pink champagne. And then on the other side of that same brush, I'm going to pick up the NYX glitter and apply it on top of the glue. Apply, 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 apply. It's so pretty. And make sure that it's all over pink champagne. And then I did my eyeliner, and my camera heated up so it turned off by itself, but here I got it back on, and I curled my lashes and I put mascara. Then I added this Versace Unicorn Essence drops, and then I used my Too Faced Hangover Primer, and I used my clean hands to apply it. Now my lashes are called Got It From My Mama from Velour, and I'm using the House of Lashes glue to put them on. Stick them on my eyes, as you can see. Be very patient, and then I'm adding a little bit more of that Love Letter color. And I'm going to go in with foundation. Apply it all over your face, and I'm applying it with my beauty blender, as always. I'm going to go in with my YSL concealer. You can use any concealer, whatever concealer you have. These are just products that I use. it out. I'm going to go back in with my Kat Von D and use that same lyric powder and apply it over the concealer so it doesn't crease. And then I'm going to go in with Shadow Play with this Morphe R2 to bronze my face. Just a little bronzing. Now with my Anastasia blush kit, I'm going to use the color Breeze, the bottom left blush, and then I'm going to apply that with my Morphe brush that was just there. Then my Estee Lauder Heat Wave using my Anastasia Beverly Hills A23 brush, and some bottom mascara. And putting some highlight on the inner corners using that same highlighter from earlier to make those eyes pop. And on my brow bone. And then I use this beautiful Stila liquid lipstick called Firenze. And you'll be done. Ready to go on a Valentine's Day date. Woo!